Imagine you have $10. Last year, that $10 bought $10 apples. Now the same $10 buys only 8. You still have $10, but your money buys less. That is the basic effect of inflation. Inflation means prices are rising across many goods and services over time. It is not about one thing becoming more expensive. A coffee can go up in price while a phone becomes cheaper. Inflation is about the overall direction of prices. One simple way to picture it is a shopping basket. Imagine the same basket of groceries costs $100 last year. This year, it costs $105. You now need $5 more to buy the same basket. That means the basket became 5% more expensive. Real inflation measures use much larger baskets with many goods and services. But the idea is the same. Compare what people buy now with what the same kinds of things cost before. Why can prices rise? Sometimes people want to buy more than businesses can produce. Sometimes it becomes more expensive to make or deliver things. Food, energy, materials, transport, and wages can all affect costs. Usually, the real economy is more complicated than one simple example. But for understanding inflation, the result is what matters. If prices rise faster than your income, the same paycheck buys less. This is often called losing purchasing power. Purchasing power simply means how much your money can buy. One more point is useful. Lower inflation does not necessarily mean prices are falling. If inflation slows from 5% to 2%, prices may still be rising. They are just rising more slowly. So when you hear the word inflation, do not think about one expensive coffee. Think about a whole shopping basket becoming more expensive over time. Inflation simply means prices rise overall, so the same money buys less than before.